Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin collecting video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. So this is just something I got off of eBay. I already cut the seal up here so that I can go ahead and just take it out. This was about $20. It was like, what is this? I think this is just like a receipt thing. They just put this, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this was like $20 off of eBay. It was like $10 for the actual thing, and then like $8 for shipping or something like that. So yeah, so this was about 20 bucks, basically. It's 75 coins. It said there was going to be some Indian heads, wheat cents. I think it may have said buffalo nickels. I can't fully remember, but let's go ahead and let's just do it one by one. So first we have a 1943 steel penny. There's nothing written on this one, at least, so. But that's a nice penny. It has some, like, rust on it, which looks really weird on a penny, but since it's a steel penny, it does make sense. Let's just set that over here for now. Next, we have another 1943 wheat penny. And this is also just regular, no mint mark on it, so Philadelphia one. We have a 1935 buffalo nickel. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so there is buffalo nickels in here. Then, another buffalo nickel, 1936. This is some pretty nice stuff. I'm going to take this off camera so you guys can't see it before you're supposed to. So, okay, there's those so far. A 1990D. Okay, I mean, nothing real special here. It is in really good condition, but that's nothing crazy, I guess. Okay, so here's a steel wheat penny in, like, really bad condition, but it is a P. Wait, yeah. So, no mint mark again. So I'm just going to set the steel pennies right here. Buffaloes, Lincolns. We're just going to have to move this around as we go. Next item out of this amazing bag. We have the 1935 wheat penny. That's a pretty good one. 1935. Let's just put. There we go. Next, we have a 1945 Philadelphia wheat penny. Not too bad. That's pretty good, actually. Let's just take a majority of these out. So these are the rest. There's a lot of, I mean, it's 75 coins for 20 bucks. That's not terribly bad. I don't think you guys saw. I'm going to save that one. Okay. So this, oh my gosh, wow. That's a really good wheat penny. It's 1957 Philadelphia. Look at that one. That looks like just like this 1990. That's, as I drop it, that's crazy amazing. Wow, I'm really surprised by that one. Now next we have 1949p, still really good condition. Like, insane. I wish there wasn't this weird, like, film. I mean, I enjoy it, but it does kind of make it hard to see. There you go. Yeah, that's a really good wheat penny right there. How do I want to organize this? I don't know. Next, 1920p. It's in okay condition. About medium, you'll find them like that most of the time. Nothing too special, but that is 1920. That's almost 100 years old. 1958D, so right before they switched to the memorial design on the back, so that was the last year of that. 1968D, nothing special, memorial design. That's just a normal coin. Then we have a 1973 Also, nothing too special here. Just a normal wheat penny. 1987p. That's in good condition, but again, it's just a wheat penny. 1956D, our last wheat penny. 1956D. That's pretty good. 1956D. So, yeah, so far we found 3 wheat pennies, 7 normal, or 3 steel pennies, 7 normal wheat pennies, 2 buffalo nickels, and 4 memorial coins, which these 4 are kind of like, it's okay, I guess, but... Okay, moving on. We have a 1962 Roosevelt dime from Denver. Now, this is silver. So that's pretty cool. Put the dime right there. Then we have 1910 Liberty V nickel. I do have a few of these. Oh, wow, look at that background. That's beautiful right there. Look at that. That is amazing. That's in really... That back's in, not like no, that's in really good condition. Wow. 1910 Liberty V-nickel. And a 1906 Liberty V-nickel, with the back also being in pretty good condition. The other one was better, but at least I think it was. But so yeah, 2 V-nickels. Wow. Okay, last but not least, I thought I'd say this one for last because it is the oldest in this haul, in this grab bag. So yeah. So 19, or sorry, not 19. I'm used to saying 19. 1896 Indian head cent penny. This is, wow. These are normally like $1. So that's pretty good though. So these are all of the main, did I move this or something? I think I did. These are all of the ones that were in the holders, but there's also some coins in the bag, and within these there's 3. I didn't know there were 3. There are some memorial pennies, which these are probably just going to be like face value, so nothing real special there. Then there's a 25 wheat pennies, and then some older nickels. So I'm going to look through these, show you guys some of them if they're a little bit more on the special side of things. Let's move these out of the way. Okay, so we have a 1966 nickel, a 1961. One of them, or the 1961's Denver, the other one is not. 1947 S, 1963 D, and a 1953 blank. So that's about all going to be face value. Nothing too crazy there. Okay, let's go to the memorials. I'm not expecting really anything out of these. These are just going to be just pocket change pretty much. I mean, there's some high quality older coins. Like there's a 68D that's in pretty good condition right there. Look at that one. That's pretty good. So there are a lot of higher end quality coins, like coin grades. Ooh, here's a 1965. So yeah, I may have to just look through the good ones and find those, but nothing crazy with these memorial cents. Just literally pocket change now. So not too old yet. Then we have 25 wheat pennies, and I think they said that they just vary from 1909 to 1958. So we have a 1956D, a 1952D, a 1944. I'm going to split them up into decades, so that's 50. That's going to be 40 right there. 1945S, a 1954D, 1956D. Let me just try to sort these here so you don't have to listen to me say all the names. I'll only say them if they're like really completely different, like before 1940 or something like that. Speaking of, here's a 1938. More 40s. But yeah, these are still pretty cool pennies that'll just fill up random spots within your collection. So it's always nice to have these because you don't really know. That one's going away. You don't really know what you're going to get, but at the same time, it's kind of like fun because then it's still kind of like roll hunting, but you already know you have a ton. Ooh, a 1919 penny. Now the back is really weird. I actually found a coin that looks like this where the back was bluish in a different video I did, so that's pretty cool. 1919. Wow, I keep like throwing these guys around. 1953 and a 1948. So got a lot of 1950s and 1940s, obviously, since they're newer. But yeah, this was a pretty good grab bag right here. This was $20. That's not terrible, considering that you have, like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. A lot of coins. So if you tried to at least sell, there's probably 20 in here. Like like this is pretty good. Now this kind of stuff, it's just stuffing for these types of things to say that you get a lot more coins. But no, like really, this is really good. Like 2 V nickels, 2 Buffalo nickels, 3 wheat pennies, a Roosevelt dime. Or sorry, 3 steel pennies. I keep saying just wheat. And then like 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 wheat pennies and one of those really good, like in really good condition pennies. That's crazy. So yeah, I would definitely buy this. I'll link the buyer in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and keep on collecting.